Hey y'all, we're back with another video. Today we're probably gonna go over the '09 Honda Civic and the Nissan Hardwire, and I'm telling you what all needs done to them. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, here's the Nissan Hardwire. Alright, this truck will need to have brake work, injectors, a back window. You need the bed taken off, pressure wash the frame, then after that, it's a good interior of the truck. My dad gave him all the parts right there, and yes, I do got my fishing stuff and the speaker and like a steering wheel for gaming. Need a back window, need a headliner. The transmission does good. So, and also, truck needs a whole new exhaust. It still got the factory exhaust on it. It will also need a front clip, new bumper, new lights, new radiator, new battery. And this is, well, my initial plan for this truck is pretty much not have a turbo out the hood, but have a turbo on here, have the exhaust right there going up here. Oh well, start right here, going up here, out. And everything on this truck looks okay. I'm over here right now trying to get the wheels off the lug nuts so I can put this truck on tacks and try to get something with these brakes done. My next plan for this truck is pretty much drift with it and have a big old motor in it. Well, I'll start with this motor and end up with 2TG inline Nissan motor. A long time ago, I replaced clean the fuel tank. Here's under the truck. Here's the back of the truck. It's kind of messy. I had a '95 Ford Ranger, and it was my problem to take. I will put a picture of it right here. And ever since I got, well, my dad gave me this, it just have been on the back, and it will need a new hood. Yep, I just ordered some more injectors. They should be here in a couple days. We put that new valve cover on. So, and also I'm sorry because the camera died when I put it on, and I just found out when I posted the video. It do need a brake booster, and I just put a new master cylinder on it. And if you look down here, I have a bent hose right there going to here. I don't know what that is yet. I haven't really looked at it, but this is the upcoming build right here. Alright guys, this is my '09 Honda Civic. It got a R18 under the hood. The doors are locked. I'm sorry, I can't show you inside the car right now. And well, to this car, the motor is blown up. It got an aftermarket downpipe, no catalytic converter, and it got a sub in it, and this is pretty much the daily. Well, it's gonna be the daily after the motor get fixed. And that's the news I'm gonna have to talk to y'all about. Well, the '09 Honda Civic is currently about to get fixed. I'm talking to the mechanic right now, and we found the motor. It is in Alabama, and so when this car get back, we will end up going to a car meet for this car, and well, the old saying, high class white trash. I mean, look at it, it's white and it might be trash, but it's still fast. So yes sir. This is the car. I will put a clip or a video, whatever, put in here so I can show y'all what the inside of the car look like, but I don't have the keys on me. But yes sir, let's get this new season on the road. Yes, it's dirty. This is not the original wheels for the car. This is not the wheel that I have for the car. This is another wheel. I don't know if y'all can see in there. Oh yeah, I can't see that. It is automatic. Alright guys, here's the wheels for the car. Yeah, these are brand new tires. They are really grippy and stuff. And they're, well, I can pop one of my tires. This is actually one of my sister's cars. My sister's car. Well, this tire's flat pretty much. And this, well, and also what I'm doing on here, I just got all these hug nuts that broke. I'm about to go get my tack and put it on the blocks so I can get the brake work started. And the injectors are on their way. So I will have data logs and all that stuff coming soon for this truck. And getting it running for the most part. But alright guys, I got one tire off and on the tack stand. This is just one. It's on the tack stand, so safety first, y'all. Here's everything. The socks, this is what I can lower it right there. And main thing we gotta worry about is this bad boy. The brakes. So for this side. Then this bad boy look good up in the air. Then we worked on everything. Here the lug nuts, so I'll clean them too. So let's get started. And if this video gets sideways, don't say no. Well, it is what it is. So let's get started. Alright, hey guys, we're about to take this tire off. I put WD-40 on it already. But on all lug nut. The reason why I'm putting this on is because this truck has been sitting for a long time. This truck has been sitting for a long time, and This one? No. This one. Huh. There's one. Oh, well, let's do another one. Let's put more W40 on. Golly. Guys, I got 4 loose, 2 to go. Yeah, this one being hard right here. I haven't really tried this one yet, but this is where it starts. But let's do it, y'all. Hey y'all, I got all the lug nut loose now. All the wastes on this one, so this one would give me a hard time, so I had to go get a ratchet and a breaker bar to do it. So I got it on loose now. Let's go put it on the tacks. Alright guys, I got both the wheels off. One of the lug nuts, all the now both the wheels off the truck. Now we can get started on the brakes. That'll be on another video when they get the truck running, because I need everything running. So, and this will be the end of the video, and thank y'all for watching.